Here we are at another project that we just wrapped up. I'm here to meet the inspector, get the final and everything. Paint's all done, kept the original fireplace. This is the dining room. It's got a nice little balcony patio off the dining room. Sliding glass door and all that. Granite countertops. Is the preference these days. Subway tile in the kitchen, all stainless appliances. Kitchen turned out just gorgeous. Light on here. Dining room lights. Pendant lights over the bar. Peninsula. Yeah, just a beautiful, beautiful townhome over in northeast Minneapolis. Just outside of downtown. Off of 2nd Avenue. Just a gorgeous one. It's already sold. Sold before we were done. They had a little closet here. They added a half bath right off at the beginning. Let's take a look at that. Just beautiful. We do some pretty darn good work here at the Votech. Downstairs, completely finished. There is a mechanical room, laundry room, etc. And then a tuck under garage. Going upstairs, all carpeted. Round lights everywhere. First bedroom. Just smaller. Maybe a kid's bedroom or an office. Decent sized closet. Larger bedroom, nice big windows, and a nice sized closet. And a full bathroom up here. Oh, quickly redone. Just a single bowl, nice big mirror. Corner mount faucet. All tiled. Nice high shower head. Beautifully done. And then the last bedroom here. Another good sized bedroom, doesn't have the big master closet, but still has a nice double bifold closet. All in all, beautiful rehab. This project was completely gutted out, redone, and sold before it even got its final inspection, which I'm here for right now. So, thanks for watching. I love to show off the work that our students do with our instructors. It's really making a difference in their lives, and it's making a difference in the lives of the people too, the customers. They really love our work. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. See ya.